a point, right? So a point P, which is a point on a unit circle. Okay, so if this is the unit circle on the right here, I will draw something like this. Okay, and this is negative comma a positive number. So your point P should be somewhere here in the second quadrant. So if this point is on the unit circle, it means this is x comma y, right? X comma y, which is in the second quadrant. Okay. So if that is the case, so we know that x is cosine theta, which is theta is t in our case, and y is sine theta, right? So sine t in this case is just the value of y, which is 1 over 2. Then cosine t is the value of x, which is root 3 over 2. Okay. And then tan t is just that ratio. So I take 1 over 2 and divide by, right? I divided by negative root 3 over 2. This is just 1 over 2 multiplied by, negative 2 over root 3. Okay. So 2 and 2 cancels. I have negative 1 over root 3. And if we rationalize this, right, multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 3, this becomes root 3 over 3, the negative. Okay. So that's it, right? Okay, what about cosecant? So we know cosecant is, so cosecant t is 1 over sine t. So the reciprocal of sine t is 2, right? Okay. Then secant t is 1 over cosine t. This is just negative 2 over root 3. When we write it in rationalized form, we have a negative 2 root 3 over 3. Okay. Then cotangent, we just look at the value for tangent, so which is cotangent t. Let's see, cotangent t is 1 over tan t, which is negative 3 over root 3. And if we rationalize this, we get this is 3 root 3 over 3. So 3 and 3 cancels, we have root 3. Okay.